In this video today, guys, I'm going to show you how to receive $105 not deposit bonus. But before we go further, guys, let's look at the winners of our ebook. The 3 winners of our ebook that I've told you that I'm going to pick from this video right here. I told you I'm going to pick 3 winners from this video, guys, and those winners are going to win an ebook that we are using as our best trading strategy ever here. This is a glass zone strategy, guys, the trading strategy that beats the market. And I have this book right now with me, and I'm going to select only 3 winners from our last video, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to YouTube right there, and I'm going to copy the link of that video, and then I'm gonna copy the link of the video that I've announced the giveaway, guys. I'm just gonna copy the link so you follow me right away. And after copying the link, I'm going to browse, and I'm going to select 3 random winners, guys, using YouTube comment picker. You know, I'm gonna use commentpicker.com as one of the best comment selector. I'm gonna use this one, guys. This tool is very useful. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna paste the link here, the link for the video, guys, because I've told you that if you comment on that video, you're gonna be part of the draw to win our ebook. So I'm gonna solve this. Is 9 here, and then I'll click get YouTube comments. As you can see here, we have about 19 comments. We have more comments, but unique comments, we have 19 comments. That means that we have 19 people commented on our video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click start here, guys. I'm gonna click start, and I'm gonna pick a random winner. Okay, as you can see, guys, Turner 26 is one of the winner. You are the winner of our first ebook. You are the winner of our first ebook. As you can see, this is the comment that was made by Satan or whatever the name is. I don't know how to pronounce your names, guys, but you are the winner. So just watch, so you should know where to follow me. And I'm gonna pick another winner. I'm gonna pick another winner because you have to be 3, guys. I'll pick another winner, guys. This is the second winner. The second winner, Qasim, the second winner. And as you can see right here, this is the second winner. I'm gonna pick another winner, and then you guys have to screenshot this. I think I'm gonna pick another winner. So let's go check it out, guys. We're gonna be the 3rd winner of our ebook. As you can see, Young and Misguided is the 3rd winner of our ebook, and we have 3 winners right here, guys. The problem, the guy said your videos are scams. My videos are not scams, and I'm not a scammer. So I give information as they are presented by the websites, and I even pick better websites. I don't pick all the websites, guys, because I know there are a lot of websites there that a lot of brokers that are trying to offer you not the post bonuses, but they are not real. So I make my way out trying to pick better brokers, guys. So if you think my videos are scams, so there's nothing I can say to convince you that they are not scams. So just just do whatever you wanna do. So you are the 3rd winner of our ebook, guys. And for you to message me, guys, all you have to do is just check on the video description. You have to message me on Telegram or maybe on Instagram. I'm gonna provide my handles down in the video description. I need the 3 winners to contact me. I have their screenshot, and I know how to prove they are the winners. So let's go, guys. Those winners will receive their best strategy books, and I'm gonna make more giveaways, guys. I'm gonna make more giveaways in the coming videos, giving away this book. And also I'm gonna start giving away like $20 or $30, $40, $50, guys. I'm gonna give you hundreds because I don't have hundreds to give, but for right now I'm gonna give you as little as I can. And when I'm growing, I'm gonna give you also a lot of giveaways like 100 or 200 or something like that. So let's get started, guys. Let's get started with our video for today. As you can see, guys, today here I have a new app, which is Xtrend Speed. Xtrend Speed is the new app that I have just downloaded. So probably I can put the link also down in the video description, so you can just go straight and download the app. It's either you can download it from Play Store if you have an iPhone, or you can download it from the Apple Store, okay, whatever. So as you can see here, guys, this app gives you, you get credit to trade here. You get some money to trade. When you start up, when you come on this app, you will be asked your email address and so forth. You have just to register. After registering, and you come on something that looks like this. I'm just trying to load up how it looks like on the very beginning, guys. So I'm just gonna check how it looks like on the very beginning. There are a lot of things that you can do here, guys. There are a lot of things that you can do on this app that can give you credit. As you can see, I have about $4, 50 cents. But what I did there, I traded. Okay, they give me $3, and I opened few positions sometimes ago. And I grew to $4 or something. Then I opened another position. So you can see I have 2 open position, the smallest lot size ever. So you can see I've opened the position on our ticket, still just running with those profits. As you can see, okay, this is the pack that you begin with when you download this app. This is the pack that you begin with. All you have to do first is to cash out this $3 that will be given to start. And as you can see, there's also another $2 here, Apple position. So all you have to do, just click complete or something like that, and they'll ask you to complete the information and so forth. So, and then after completing information, just click submit, and then after submitting, you'll be able to view that, and they'll ask you like, you have $2 to open position or something like that here, but the market is closed right now. I cannot open position, so let's just leave that for now. And as you can see, guys, the app have a lot of things that you can do that can get you paid. A lot of stuff that you can do that can get you paid here, guys. So I'm not going through everything, but hopefully you got the whole idea. For you, just come to just download the app if you are interested in downloading this app for X Trend. And as you can see, we have another benefit of the depositing 100 and get $40 credit, and also depositing 30 and get $10 credit. This is just some promotions here, guys. There are a lot of gift packs that you might wanna use here without even verifying your account. So I'm not recommending any of the apps, guys. I'm not giving you recommendation that this is the best broker ever. No, I'm just saying I'm using it because they have given us information out there, guys, and they have the information. Why shouldn't I give the information to you if they provided everything right on their website? They also told us that they are giving away some here, 105. And let me just check it out, guys. I think I was there on the website, and as you can see right here, I can see it here, something like this. So all you have to do, just claim it here by clicking claim, then you put your email address here and click claim. So I was trying to claim it, but actually I failed with an unknown reason, maybe because my country is not supported or something, but I don't know what's happening. Maybe I have to go like inquire again. Probably I'll have to text them, like asking for information or how to go about this, because I was trying and I failed to receive that. So maybe you can try if you can receive it, because it's easy, because you don't even need to verify your account to get that. So probably I can click help and record or something like that. But I don't want to make the video long, guys. So that's basically what I wanted to say. This X Trend app, you can see it looks like this, and that's the one that is giving away $105 no deposit bonus, but I'm ineligible, so I've used the opportunity to claim the credits. You can do a lot of things that get you credits every day here, guys, so you just want to do that probably. And then thank you for watching one of my video, guys. For those one who win this giveaway, guys, you can text me using Instagram or using Telegram straight, and we're gonna discuss how I'm gonna send you your ebook as easy as possible. Thank you guys for watching one of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give us a thumb up in appreciation for the content, and see you again on the next video.